Hi everyone, my name is Rachel Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. Today, let's continue the exercise that we were solving yesterday. Part 3, Grade 7th, Model Textbook of English, Grade 7, based on National Curriculum 2022. So, let's begin. Use of language. An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. They allow for the description of what they are modifying, therefore forming a more vivid image of what is being described. सिर्फ एक ऐसा लफ्ज है जो किसी इसम या ज़मीर को बयान करता है वो इसकी वजाहत करने की इजाज़त देते हैं कि वो क्या तरमीम कर रहे हैं लिहाजा जो बयान किया जा रहा है इसकी एक ज़्यादा वाज़ेह तस्वीर बनाते हैं Quantitative adjective. Quantitative adjective shows how much of anything is described. It is further divided into definitive, indefinite, distributive. मिकदारी सिफ्त कोई चीज़ की कितनी मिकदार बयान करता है इसको मज़ीद वजाहत के लिए तकसीम किया जाता है वजाहती गैर वजाहती और तकसीमी definitive it shows an exact number like 1 2 second etc example I have been here for over 4.5 billion years वजाहती ये सही गिनती दिखाता है जैसे 1 2 सेकंड वगैरह मिसाल मैं यहाँ 4.5 अरब साल से ज्यादा अरसे से हूँ Indefinite. It shows the quantity which is not an exact count, like all, few, several, some, many, certain, etc. Example, some of you keep me protected. गैर वजाहती ये वो मिकदार दिखाता है जो कि कंफर्म नहीं होता मतलब ये कंफर्म क्वांटिटी नहीं दिखाता ये जैसे तमाम चंद कई कुछ बहुत से बाज वगैरह मिसाल आप में से कुछ मुझे महफूज रखते हैं Distributive. It shows a specific number out of a group, such as each, every, neither, etc. Example, each one of us should protect nature. तकसीमी ये एक ग्रुप में से एक मखसूस नंबर दिखाता है जैसे कि हर एक हर ना वगैरह मिसाल हम में से हर एक को फितरत की हिफाजत करनी चाहिए Underline the adjectives in the given paragraph and identify them as definitive, indefinite, or distributive adjective. A. Some call me nature. In this sentence, the word some is indefinite. B. Others call me Mother Nature. Others is a distributive. 3. C. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 4.5 is definitive. 4. D. Everyone depends on me. Everyone is a distributive. E. I've been here for aeons. Been is definitive. F. I have fed every species greater than you. Every is distributive. G. They all can take you or leave you. They is indefinite. H. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. Your is distributive. Use the following quantitative adjectives in sentences enough, every, third, 50, none, most. Enough. My cousin was old enough to earn money. Every. My father explained that every second is gold. Third. I am the third member of our family. 50. There are 50 students in my class. None. None of my friends are talented. Most. The diamond necklace was the most expensive item in the jewelry store. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Computer Education Pakistan. Like this video and share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.